Today, Alex. And we actually have an agenda today. First order of business though, dude, I want to get one of them Taco Bell Cheddar Chalupa things. Those things just came out. Internet's going crazy over them. I need to try it. Then we're gonna go find another cheesesteak. I found another spot I want to try. In fact, you guys found another spot that I want to try. Where's Taco Bell? We go get that cheesesteak. I think we're gonna go try to eat it by the ocean again. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
That's actually pretty good.
Alex, Taco Bell Cheddar Chalupa. What'd you think, man?
It was pretty good. It tastes like a hash brown to me.
Tastes like hash browns? I can see that. Well, the thing costs $3. Would you come back?
I mean, I'm always at Taco Bell, so.
Yeah. Let's get out of here and let's eat. You ready for a cheesesteak? Oh my God, my bike won't turn on. Come on. There we go. Toasted cheddar chalupa. I liked it. It was good. Real good. I'd get it again. I'd get the box though. Like I said, man, that was $3.01. Oh, I forgot he didn't believe in red lights. Seal Beach bound. Here we go. John's Philly Grill. I'll tell you a little bit about that in a second. Let's get down the road a little bit before I talk your ear off. While I'm on this boring part of the ride, I'm going to take this opportunity to thank Patreons of the channel. You see your name on the screen here. I want you to know you're extra special to me. YouTube's a tough world to navigate at the moment. I love this tunnel. Does anybody else still do that? Rep on tunnels? No! Oh, that one. Can't believe we already went the wrong way. Get out of here, Prius. Can't believe how f***ing turned around we got. Bastard got me so good. He's good at that. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place we're going to today, John's Philly Grill. John's Philly Grill was established in 1990 by very motivated John Carpenter. He was also a Philadelphia native. The first location was established at Sunset Beach, right on PCH. Unfortunately, since then, that location is closed, and the one we're going to today is actually in Seal Beach. As far as I can tell, this place uses all the regular cheesesteak ingredients that make cheesesteak great. The one unique thing about this place, they bake their own rolls, and once they run out, that's it. They close. All the other cheesesteaks that I've had in the area, they actually import their rolls from Philadelphia, and they use the Omarosa roll. Something else notable, they don't have Cheese Whiz. I do believe they have White American or Provolone. I'm a White American dude. Like I was saying earlier, I discovered this place because of you guys. In fact, I've discovered so many great spots, all because of you guys suggesting spots in the comments section below. I want you guys to consider, I've been doing these videos for about 5 years. So before you make a recommendation, do a little search and see if I've already been to the place that you're suggesting. Because I'd say 5 out of 10 places you guys suggest I've already been to. But yeah, man, I credit most of these places I go to you guys. I do have a list, I keep a list, so keep the suggestions coming. If you guys can think of a better cheesesteak that's local to Southern California, let me know, man. But again, make sure I haven't been there already. Out of my way, Taxi Prius. I'm all right with Taxi Priuses. I don't mind them. Speaking of the Prius, if you want to express your hate for that car, check out my website, SuburbanDelinquent.com. I got just the thing for you. Oh. Yeah. Ham and Scram. Remember when I went there? So far, Best breakfast burrito ever. Place is really good. It's a scary job, that lineman shit. Watch a documentary on those dudes. Brutal. You line workers, a lot of respect, man. Here it is, John's Philly Grill. 10-minute parking? Nope. Cheesesteaks and hoagies. All right, let's try it. John's Philly Grill. So we went inside. Place looks super legit. Smells super legit. Now we're just gonna go down the street, find some water, look at the boats, eat these things. Yeah, little treat. People, come on. The whole thing, I told you, it was gonna jump out. You talk. You got a South Philly? Yeah. All right, Alex. John's Philly Grill. What'd you think?
It wasn't bad. I got the marinara one, the South Philly. Tasted like just spaghetti, really good spaghetti on bread.
Spaghetti on bread, man. What kind of meat was that? Cheesesteak meat?
Yeah, cheesesteak meat with marinara sauce.
You didn't order a cheesesteak, we saw that, but I gave you some of mine. What do you think of mine?
It wasn't bad. The table liked it too.
The table did like it.
And it was just as good as probably Philly's best.
You liked it just the same as Philly's?
Yeah.
I liked it. I ate the whole thing. I wish I had a little bit more of it. Dude, I'd rank it up there. I don't think it's as good as Boo's or even Frank's Philadelphia, but it was good. If you guys are in the Seal Beach area, Huntington Beach area, and you see one, dude, go in there. You won't be disappointed. What are we doing, Alex? Hit PCH right up the coast a little bit? All right. Check out this house up here. That's a real house. Somebody lives in it. It's sick, huh? It was for sale a while back. There's a place out here that I want to eventually take you guys to. It's called Johnny's Saloon. One day, man. It's kind of a punk rock spot. And one of the reasons why we haven't gone there yet, it's like pitch black in there. I don't know how I'll film, but it's on the list. Clean off the camera. Hopefully we're good. There's Santos Tacos, the other one. Place pretty good. Do these things really need to be out in the middle of the day? Come on. It's like a 4 in the morning deal right there, isn't it? Shouldn't it be? Have fun. All right. I will. Thank you. Sick GTO. Yeah. I love this view. A lot of white cars. Fun day as usual, riding with Alex. Didn't run that many red lights. For those of you that stuck with me throughout this whole video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe. Hit the notification bell, otherwise YouTube won't tell you releasing videos, which are in fact Monday mornings. Once again, much love to all the patrons of the channel. Thank you. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a dirt bike channel, which I'm very proud of. I don't know much about riding dirt bikes, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. I just rebuilt it. Added a whole bunch of new pages. If you guys are interested in all the gear and stuff that I use to make these videos, I got it all listed. Link in the description of the video. I want to remind you, in about a week, we're all headed up to AIMExpo, Columbus, Ohio. Information also on the website. I want to meet you. We're doing a meet and greet and ride, man. Should be fun. Please don't forget, support the channel partners, Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their services or products, consider them first. Support the companies that support us, right? Love you as always. Catch you guys next week. Later.